Well, guys, it's official. I am a freshman for 9th grade since I already graduated in this hotel. And there's a Trane XR right here. Oh, it's running. It's really quiet. This thing is super quiet. I bet the 16 Siri in it. Alright, let's get the data. Oh, this is a 2-stage. No wonder. That's a 5-ton from 2016 Trane XR. I like this unit though. It's pretty much a nice sounding unit. It's straight cool. That is a nice sounding unit. It's really quiet. And right here are some refrigerator components. Well, they're not that interesting, but I thought I'll show it to you. This one's turbo air. I'm not sure what this is, but alright. Just thanks for watching. There's a Marley chiller right up there, and it sounds weird. That is a huge unit.